Is it group 1 is ready? You can explain the problem, then you can go for minimum 2 MCQ on that. Briefly, you can explain the problem. Because others might not have seen this problem, they can understand that actually what is the situation. Anybody from group 1? Hello? You're not able to hear me? Is anybody starting, sir?
Group 1, are you ready? Please respond to sir's question. Group 1, please, are you able to hear? Group 1, anyone please present?
Minimum 2 MCQ is more than enough.
Yes, 2 MCQ questions on the given input. Please prepare, present and discuss the features.
Dina. So can group 2 can start?
Okay, sir. Okay. The group 2 will show the question. Kindly explain the situation, then you can go for it.
Yeah. Railway timetable.
Have you framed the question, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you please magnify that table, sir? Railway timetable. Train numbers also required, sir. Little down.
Train number is there? No?
Train numbers, sir. Train numbers are there. On top. Yeah. Shall I start, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
So the real life situation related to train timetables are given. Trains are running on regular timings as well as special timings on monsoon seasons as well. There are different timings for the departure from the from different stations. I have started with a example. One MCQ is framed like this. Please observe the timetable. I have taken the train number 16346 Netravati train. Find the time taken by train 16346 Netravati Express to travel from Trivandrum to Dadar. Trivandrum to Dadar during regular timings. Time taken by train Netravati Express from Trivandrum to Dadar.
Total time.
For this, children have to refer the timetable. The train number they have to identify on the last column and train name, and they have to look for the regular timings. Starting journey started from Trivandrum. So under regular column Trivandrum, they have to reach the starting time as 9:50 a.m. Okay, sir. So from there they have to continuously travel down till the Dadar station is reached. So can you please come down, sir? Yeah, Dadar station. That is the last point. Ah, that is the last point.
Okay, that is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
And now what are options? Options you are giving?
Options I have given, sir. It has time taken by train is 31 hours, 30 hours, 50 minutes, 29 hours, 40 minutes, 31 hours, 40 minutes, like this.
Good. Maybe the second question, please.
Yes, sir. Second question, with reference to the Mangala Express. Mangala Express, train number 12617. Mangala Express travels between which of the two stations during regular time? Mangala Express travels between which of the two stations during regular timings? That they have to identify, sir. So there,
As there are two regular and monsoon timings are there.
yeah,
Now,
during that, I referred to,
compare the time taken by a particular train
yeah,
on regular time and monsoon time. Sometime monsoon time it may be it may take more time also.
yeah. So I have talked about destinations only, sir. Here, I repeat the question. Mangala Express travels between which of the two stations during regular time? During regular time.
Okay.
So they have to identify the places.
Okay.
Starting place. Starting
should.
place. Yeah, Mangala Express during regular timing is 13:15, and with respect to that, they have to find out the place.
Okay. Okay.
And till the end, when it completes the journey, which station it reaches.
Okay. You want only the destinations.
Destinations only, sir.
Now one more question I want to give you.
Yeah, third one more is there, sir. With
tell me,
respect to Shatabdi Express. Shatabdi Express 12052. Find the time taken by Shatabdi train from Madgaon to Kanakavalli during monsoon.
Okay.
Madgaon to Shatabdi Express during Madgaon.
Okay.
Madgaon to Kanakavalli. In between, sir. Not the final destination.
Okay.
In between, they have to identify.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I think your questions are very nice. But one more question you can ask, as it is having two type of timings given about
Yes, sir. Difference between the timings.
Different between the timings you can ask. That also is a good question.
Even you can ask the speed or
Okay,
difference between the timings, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. And you can ask like this: if the distance is given, but yet distance is not given. If the distance is given, then you can ask them about the questions on speed. Okay, anyway,
Speed on, yes.
I think is it number one is ready? Group number one is ready. Are you ready? Group number one.
Sir, in group 2 only,
Yes, sir.
the total distance given between two stations. If the total distance is given between two stations, we can ask them to find out the approximate average speed.
I think I told the same thing. Just now I told. It is
Yes.
Distance is given, then we can ask so many manipulated questions on speed also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not there here. No problem, no issues. Okay, is it number one is ready? Group number one having some connection problem. Shall we move on to group number 3 then? Group number 3.
Group number 3, please respond. Anyone from the group? Please take forward the program.
Okay, group number 4. Number 5. All are not reachable. Number 6.
Sir, good evening, sir. From Group 6.
Okay, please, sir. You continue, sir. No issue.
Yeah.
You can tell, sir. You can tell, sir. Can you explain it? The
Sir,
situation. Can you explain?
Yes, sir. The real life situation is groundwater extraction and use. And they have given different means of extracting using groundwater through canals, tanks, then wells, tube wells. So they have given graph of these means for the different years, 1950 to 2011. They have given, sir, and children has to observe these two graphs given and answer the MCQ questions. I have framed questions. First question, which of the following is not the reason for the shortfall of water? Which of the following is not the reason for the shortfall of groundwater? First choice is incentives for irrigation equipments, subsidy for electricity. Third choice, low power tariff. Fourth one, shortfall of rains. This is my first question. My second question is, second MCQ question is, what is the main reason for shortfall of groundwater as per the figure given, as per the figure 5 given in the passage? A, use of canals. B, use of tanks. C, use of wells. 4, use of tube wells. These are my two questions, sir, from Group 6.
For the second question, you can add the others also.
Please, sir.
For the second question, there is no need that a MCQ should contain only 4 options. It can contain 5 options also.
Okay.
Therefore, in the fifth option, you can add that others also because it is also available in the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
E,
Thank
I will
you.
make up.
Thank you. Any other group who is ready except from 2 and 6? Please tell the name of your group, please, so that I can display the question there.
Sir,
One,
Group
three.
1.
Group 1, okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, come.
Group 1.
Okay.
From JNV Raichur, sir.
Okay.
The question is about final tariff for Tata Power and Reliance Energy. A comparison is given. In 3 tables it is given. So based on the data, I have prepared 2 questions like this.
Okay.
First question is, a domestic consumer X consumes 600 units per month from March to October and 900 units per month from November to February. Which power is cheaper for him and by how much? This is a quantity based question only. A consumer consumes 600 units from March to October and 900 units from November to February. Which power is cheaper for him and by how much? So here some calculation is needed. 600 units he is consuming for 8 months and 900 units he is consuming for 4 months. So here I have given options like this. Reliance, because it is cheaper by 3,722 rupees. Tata, because it is cheaper by 3,722 rupees. Reliance, because it is cheaper by 3,277 rupees. Tata, because it is cheaper by rupees 3,277. The second question I have prepared like this, because the Tata Power is charging 109 units for 100 units. What amount is to be paid if a consumer consumes 100 units of Tata Power? Options I have framed like this: 412 rupees 50 paise, rupees 420 50 paise, 421 rupees and 50 paise, 390 rupees. Here, why this second question I framed like this? Tata Power is charging for 109 units if the consumer spends for consumes 100 units, and this is not given directly in the data. So unless the student reads the entire paragraph, we cannot answer this second question. Like this, I have framed 2 questions, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Good. Anybody from number 3? Ready? Number 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. I think anybody from group number 8? Connection lost or what happened?
Connection is there, sir. All 63, 62 are there, sir. 62 participants are there online.
Yes.
Hello.
Please attempt, make an attempt. Participants.
Group 8, sir.
That's a group number 4.
Group 8. I'll show group 8 now. Okay.
Group 8, sir. Group
Water bottle?
Group 8, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Water
Yes,
bottle?
the water bottle, sir. Yes.
Okay.
So, quantity based question, sir. What is the percentage of loss of water for making 1 liter of bottled water, sir?
Okay.
What is the percentage of loss of water? So point 2 you can see, sir. All of you can go through the point 2. Based on that, what is the percentage of loss of water for making 1 liter of bottled water?
Okay, good.
Yes,
Next
so percentages can be changed like 200%, 0.2%, 2%, 400%, like this options can be given. So to make just incorrect this, we can make like that. Then by looking at the point 3, sir, all of you can go through that point 3. What is the percentage of oil used to manufacture and ship 1 bottle? The question is, what is the percentage of oil used to manufacture and ship 1 bottle? Okay, so the options can be like the same: 20%, 2%, 0.2%, 200%.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
One more question, sir.
You have taken the idea of some points and then you have framed the
Yes.
MCQs.
Yes. Then, next is that is third question. How many seabirds and mammals die? You can go through that fourth point, all of you. Fourth point, just go through. Based on that question is, how many seabirds and mammals die totally due to plastic waste? So totally, how many seabirds and mammals are dying due to plastic waste?
Madam, it should be, the wording should be annually.
Annually.
Otherwise,
It is- Yeah, annually we can use, sir. Yeah, annually, how many seabirds and mammals die due to plastic waste?
okay,
And
thank you.
there one more question, sir, on the fifth point, sir. Fifth
Okay.
point, where 500 years it is taken by the plastic to degrade. So we can frame children. Suppose you throw a toothbrush on the date 1/1/2021. Children, suppose you throw a toothbrush on 1/1/2021. In which year the plastic will start degrading?
Okay.
In which year the plastic will start degrading?
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you for your questions.
Group 7.
Group number 7. Okay.
Group number 5, sir. Group number 5.
Group number 7 came on the line, I think.
7, sir.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen. Hope it is visible. Hello, sir. Shall I share my screen?
Okay, madam. Continue.
Share screen presentation.
Here it is the 30 lakhs home loan, for example, and 20 years the person is supposed to pay it. The monthly EMI is 3,47,408, like this for 20 years. And here in the diagram, it is the graph shows the green part is the interest and the orange is the principal. This is what it shows. Green is interest and orange is the principal, and it is clearly seen that the sum of the green and orange is constant. That is the monthly EMI, yearly EMI.
Sharing.
So you, though the numbers are looking very big, actually if you go through, the question is very easy. You can ask the child, what is the total interest paid by the person?
Interest ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 39 lakh.
It is
Is it connection lost?
It is simple. Total minus 30 lakh.
I don't know. Am I audible?
I think some problem with. Are you presenting or not presenting?
I am presenting. I don't know.
Are you presenting?
No.
Okay. I am presenting. It is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Hello. Sir, you please present. I think my presentation is gone.
Now you present. I think it was not visible actually earlier.
Now?
Yes, madam. Now you start.
Okay. So here 30 lakh loan and the month yearly EMI. Sir, someone has kept it on, so I can't hear properly. If you all mute, it is better. 3,47,000. It is 3,47,408 per year, including the principal and the interest. So you see in the beginning years, orange bar is short and the green bar is more. It shows it covers more of the principal and less interest. So the table also says it clear that sum of the principal and the interest is constant, which is equal to 3,47,408. So if you ask a question, what is the total interest paid by the person? It will be 3,47,408 into 20 will be the amount minus 30 lakh. So you can have a question on that.
Okay.
And you can also say the in any year specifically, the sum of the principal and interest is dash. So the child should be able to identify it is equal to the EMI. So I have tried to. If someone else from the group can add more.
Okay, madam. Nice. I think you can stop your presentation.
Okay. Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Others, I think any other group which is left out? I think madam has done number 7. This is done. 1 is done. I think 2 is done. Two is done. 3. Group 3. Anybody from group 3, please?
Yes, from group 3. Anyone from group 3?
Then group 4. And group 5.
Sir, group 4.
Okay. Cricket.
Cricket, sir. I think a simple one, but I could not get just now and I joined. Okay. Using bowling and batting data from the one-day internationals over the past 8 years. Here, it is plotted about the 10 countries might fare at the 2019 World Cup. So the data reveals several trends, including the strong all-round chances of the hosts, England and Sri Lanka's slim hopes of the advancing to the semi-finals. So, and also one more graph is given, that is the scatter plots below shows each team's batting and bowling averages relative to the other teams in the tournament. The bar chart then show the average runs per 50 overs against each of the their opponents in the past 8 years. So I think that is the only thing. Below that, India entered the tournament as one of a handful of teams with strong batting and bowling
attacks. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma are ranked number 1 and number 2 in ODI batsmen in the world, respectively. And Jasprit Bumrah happens to be the best ODI bowler in the world. And high-scoring games against South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Pakistan to start could make or break their hopes. So I think one simple questions are made. One is I think it may not be an actual mathematics type of question. Now, which non-Asian cricket team made lowest average runs per 50 overs against India? Hello.
Remaining people, please mute your mic, please.
Ravi Prasad, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಸನ್ನಿ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ.
Hello. Yes, sir. Nagaraj sir, mute ಮಾಡಿ. Hello, Nagaraj sir, mute ಮಾಡಿ.
Mr. Nagaraja, please mute. Mr. Nagaraja, please mute your mic. Thank you. Okay, again unmute हो गया. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir, continue, please.
Sir. Sir, one MCQ is that which non-Asian cricket team made lowest average runs per 50 overs against India?
Is it available here in the graph?
Yeah, yes, sir. So that white bars are there. They are not visible in the presentation clearly. Red bars is about India, and white bars just adjacent to that it is there. It is not visible clearly.
It is there. It is there. It is there. Okay.
Yeah, it is there.
Maybe due to resolution. Due to resolution problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
and then and option actually answer is West Indies, and given options as Afghanistan, England, West Indies, and Australia.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. And one more question is how many teams are ahead of India in the batting averages?
They have to count. Oh, good.
Yeah,
good.
in the left graph, from the left graph.
Yeah.
There 4, 8, like this, some options are given.
Okay, good, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I think anybody from 3? Anybody from group 3, please? Nobody? From group 3? Anybody from group 5?
Group 3, group 5, please. Sorry, is calling your attention.
Yes, sir. Group 5, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear my voice, sir? Please, sir.
Yes, sir. Mango.
Yeah. Sir, this, for domestic market, usually mangoes are packed in wooden boxes. Details of which are given below. However, Alfonso and Kaiser are packed in CFB boxes. The questions are now. First, that meaning may not be knowing the children. That is, what is meant by CFB boxes? That options are that commonly fabricated foot box and congenial fiber board box and corrugated fiber board box. This corrugated is the correct word sentence. Meaning is it's a series of parallel ridges which makes the boxes very strong, and it is reusable sometimes if it is fiber one. And the second one is quantity based question. What would be the minimum capacity of the mangoes of Ratnagiri and Malihabad in each box? Simultaneously, maximum number of maximum capacity of mangoes can be contained in each box of Ratnagiri as well as Malihabad. Options, we can give different options. Of course, minimum is 26 and maximum is 29. We can make use of some different one. And some more questions also, we can make it as subjective based questions also we could make. Is there any other method to pack the materials instead of using this wooden materials because of so and so reasons? Give your reasons. Reasons may be of deforestation, and it is reusable. If you go for a fiber plastic board, it can be reusable materials, and they can give some more subjective based questions. Is there any other method to pack the materials? Give options, yes or no. Yes or no type questions.
Now,
what would be the cost of the
questions will be, as you have seen, it will be not given as a single question.
Yeah.
It will be given in the form of a table where there will be minimum 4 questions will be there where they have to answer yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct. We can make use of such questions also.
It cannot be a single question.
Yeah.
Single yes or no question.
Yes. So already I have made some more questions, MCQ based questions, so that minimum and maximum, and then abbreviation of COB.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then,
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
we could make out of, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I think only one is left out. I feel it is number 3. Anybody from number 3?
Your attention, please. Group number 3. Any one member, any of the members, please attend. Madam Lali.
What is the precipitation rate? What is the precipitation rate?
Okay, madam.
What is the precipitation rate in India?
Excuse me, can you explain the situation? Then go to the question, please.
Yes, the precipitation and the temperature difference is given there. So, what is the precipitation rate difference between the year between the months 2015 December and 2015 April?
Okay.
Then another question: what will be the temperature for the year 2015 December? Second question that we can opt. What is the temperature?
Okay. That is there.
Then another question. What is the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature?
Okay.
What is the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I think we have seen number 4. I think we have seen 5. We have given 6 and we have seen 7. We have seen 8 also. Okay. Thank you, all of you. I think now you got an idea that suppose if you are able to get some table like this, maybe batting average or bowling average, whatever the table you got. I think these tables are highly available in the net, but you can take these tables from the net, and from them, I think you have seen that you are able to frame questions now. Now the questions, please remember, you just have a variety of questions. I think when I was asking about this MCQ, I think one of the teacher, he gave me more questions also in that Mangoes. That is apart from MCQ. Therefore, remember friend, the question should be a good question so that it will make the children to go back and see the data once again, and the main purpose of it, whether it is change in relation, then the change in relation idea is being applied. Like that, the child should have an idea over that. Therefore, we will just go to the next idea now. Actually, I think all of you might have, but all of you are having the copy of that with you. Therefore, whenever you are having the copy of it, there won't be any problem, because all the question you can go through it once again. Therefore, I think you can frame questions. Purposefully, these are given without questions purposefully. These are given without questions purposefully, so that it is very, you will just have an idea that how to frame question. That's why purposefully the questions were not given. Okay, now let us go for, it's not responding. Okay, let us go to the next idea, that actually you see now we got an idea about the mathematization, everything we have got, the idea we have got. Now what we have to go for it is actually, we have to go for framing the questions now. Now already madam has divided you into some groups. In that group you can go for this group work. In that group work you have been given the content, I think very interesting. That is, out of you, the content area has been given to 2 groups. Therefore 2 groups are able to concentrate and more questions will come out. Therefore now for designing that questions also, you are having a format. I think that format is already shared with you. Okay, this is a PISA format. That format also is already shared with you. I think, I hope that you got it. Otherwise, I will once again I will send it to you. Now this format is only a suggestive one. This format actually tells everything to the person who is receiving it from you. Remember that whatever question which you are preparing, it is being used by other teachers also of your group. Therefore, it will be used by your teachers also. Therefore, the teacher who is using it, he should understand that actually what is the question and how to get the answers. Then what are the level, what is the level and what is the objective, then everything he can understand. Therefore, this is the format of PISA test item to be prepared. This is only a suggestive one. You can have the heading, you can have the subject, you can have the class, you can have the topic, you can have the objective, you can just have the difficulty level, then text can be given, then picture can be given, then question 1. In every question, I think this coding, I think I told you that coding you can take it or you can leave it also. Okay, this is actually that code which has given there has been simply copied. Therefore, you just simply give what is for full credit and what should be given for partial credit and what should be given for no credit. Is it okay now? Okay. Now, this is another same type of format only where we can just write the questions and write the answers now. Therefore, for any question which you are making that, you should be a little bit careful. You should describe about the purpose of the question, the content area out of the 4 areas, quantity, change and relationship, uncertainty and data, then space and shape. Under which one this content is coming. The context, I think already we have discussed. It may be scientific, it may be occupational and so on. The process is the process being employed. But I am not putting much effort, much emphasis on this, give the process and all. But I am just telling you this content area is very, very important. Because the content area only will give the teacher to concentrate and the students also are able to concentrate on it. Okay, I hope that this format you will be following it. You can do the changes as per your this one convenience. Any changes you want to make in that, you can make. There is no issue in that. Okay, therefore I think from the morning we have been doing like this. We have understood what is a PISA type question. Then we have done mathematical literacy and mathematization. And we have seen the mathematics in PISA. Then totally we have seen that how problem solving skills are to be done. Then how a good question can be asked. There are certain rules and regulations for forming a good question. This one also we have just seen that how to frame a good question and so on. Therefore, with that I think I wish to close. Now, before I close, I wish to hear from you. Some of you please tell what is actually what you felt about the course, about this workshop, and is there any takeaways from this workshop? You can unmute your mic and you can talk.
Yes, sir. We request any willing participant kindly give your feedback by unmuting your mic. We look forward to hear from you.
Somebody is asking about the proficiency level. I told you that normally you can have 1 year 1B 1C based on the question. That is actually very difficult to discuss today. Therefore, my focus was only on the content area. Based on the content area, if you have framed the question, then proficiency level can be fixed very quickly. Suppose it goes from 1A, 1B, 1C. Please go through that. This one I have given you. PPT I have given you. In that level is there. However, based on that, you just fix the level of it. Anybody else, please?
Please share your feedback by unmuting your mic. No need to post in that chat box. Please speak. And you can interact with sir also, you can ask questions also. Or you can simply present your review, feedback on the whole day program from morning till now. Please.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Rajkumar. Yes, Mr. Rajkumar.
Yeah, thank you. Sir, Group 1, Group 2, Rajkumar Kadamini, JNV Bijapur, TGT Mathematics. Sir, when the content was received, all the details from Valliyamma Madam 2 days back itself, we know very well that Valliyamma Madam and her team, even Kabaleshwaran sir, VP sir, are very dynamic persons. They plan very well all the events. From the point of organizers and resource person, the program is very well planned, very well designed. So, and timings also maintained very well. Whatever the plan was there to present, it was done well in the duration allotted. Secondly, related to the PISA materials and content, our ideas related to PISA test was very raw, very much raw. We were not having complete idea related to how we can frame the questions, how we can use the test materials to test the students' knowledge. So now we got, whenever Samiti was asking us to give, prepare the questions and submit, we were thinking somewhat irritated, somewhat, we were not liking it. But now, since we got a complete idea about how we can frame the questions, we can use the resources from the web resources, as we have used the railway timetable, energy resources, different resources, how it has been used and framed the question. So that has given a lot of ideas to us to frame the question, and at the end you have shown the format also. That will very much help us to form the questions and share with the group members. So this is about my opinion, sir. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share my view. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging
Thank you, sir.
feedback. Anyone, anybody else, please?
Sir, good evening.
Mr. Sundaran Kumar. Madam, please address. Madam Radha Keshavan, please address.
Sir, good evening to all. And I'm myself K. Radha from JNV Bangalore Urban. It's a very wonderful program. Very sharply, madam started and ended with the very punctually. And we thought, what is 10 to 5? We have to sit with the online. But you encouraged us to do even not to leave 1 minute also. And I have not undergone the PISA training, so I was not knowing about whatever the school is given to us, and I was taking to the children. But I have no idea about it. What is this? Which content I have to take? What to do for the children? But really, I was enjoying, and I learned from you how to make the children to get the idea based on the PISA type questions. So I should be very thankful to the organizer and to especially to Mr. Srinivasan sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Program, because I have undergone the first time. So I enjoyed, I learned, then now I can tell my children, even my 10th class children also, case study question, I can tell them how to do and how to take the points and which point I can do it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I'm Vijay Lakshmi from JNV Haveri, TGT Maths, sir. Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, madam. Please continue.
Yes. To be honest, whenever we heard about the PISA questions or PISA exams, really, I was also not that interested because I was not knowing about it. Today, I got lot of interest. I thought every day, at least in a week, at least I should make an attempt to motivate the children for this. Really, I'm very thankful to the organizers, Samiti, as well as you, sir. Really, I got an very good knowledge about the PISA, which I was not having. Thank you for it, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Okay. I think thank you very much all participants for your kind feedback. But actually, when this PISA idea started and Sangathan started creating master trainers, and I am happen to be one of the master trainer. And apart from others, I had a training from, I have attended one training at CBSE also. In CBSE, we have, in preparing that mathematical literacy book, I just give my feedback, or maybe I have given my inputs there also. Therefore, actually, the thing is very simple. I had an opportunity to look into it. That's all, very simple. Even if X is not doing, then in the organization, Y will do that job. But I had an opportunity to go through it, and I was an opportunity to conduct this workshop. And to be frank with you, our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan wanted to do this type of workshop for 3 days. They gave me only 25 hours time to prepare the whole module. But anyway, I sat the whole day without any break, and I prepared the module. And I think in most of the cases in 25 regions, more in every region, minimum 200 to 300 participants have been trained using the material which actually I have shared with you. This material which I have shared was planned by me, and maybe by me and CBSE. And we have planned it in such a way that first, you see, you should know what is PISA, and very slowly it should be opened. That actually you can call it as unfolding it. Okay, normally we used to tell in the class, all of you are covering the syllabus. All of you are covering the syllabus now. Your principal normally will ask you to cover the syllabus. Huh? Your principal will ask you to cover the syllabus, na?
100%.
But okay, madam, remember, we should not cover the syllabus. We should uncover it. That is the thing which we have to do. For PISA, we should not cover the syllabus. Uncover it. Open up to the children so that they will understand actually what is the syllabus. Therefore, covering is one aspect and uncovering is another aspect. Therefore, that is why I think I did like that only. We have arranged it in such a way that you should learn that what is mathematical literacy. The teacher, when they are preparing the questions, they should be very prepared. And I hope that you got an idea about that, how to prepare the questions. Now, group work has been given to you.
In trials, practice test, and survey will take place. Please describe briefly your action policy.
Okay. I think still some disturbance is there. Okay.
Mr. Rajeshekar Gowda. Mr. Rajeshekar Gowda, kindly mute, sir. If you want to say something, you can.
No, sir.
Otherwise you can. Yes, mute it.
Sir, good evening. Sir, Srinivasan sir, this is principal.
Okay, madam.
Sir,
okay, therefore, okay. That is why yes, madam.
I didn't talk because of sound problem. I could not talk. Now, sir, it was a wonderful session, sir. What we have expected, what we expected, you have got it, sir, from you. We are very much thankful. First, we were hesitating whether we can, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan will help Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. But it is done.
No, madam, it is not like that. You are our sister concern.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
There won't be any problem. There won't be any problem.
And many of our teachers have attended 2 days training program, sir. And we have a state core group in Karnataka. And we were preparing questions also, and we have sent to Samiti. But when we were preparing questions, I could observe some people have done it well. Some have copied, and we don't know how to prepare. What is a template?
Madam, sorry, don't use the word copy. They adopted.
No, sir. Some questions from net we will copy, no, sir. That
Adoption. It's not copying.
Okay, those questions, no, sir, we were not framing our own questions. Now I
understand.
Now my staff members, they are very sure they can prepare their own questions. And as you told, we have made 8 groups. 8 groups and 4 content is shared for each, 2 groups each. They will prepare questions, 2 questions in 4 content. So 8 questions I forward to you, and you can give us the feedback whether it is up to the mark or whether some modification is needed and all other things. That is in the month of January, first week. So we give them 1 week time. Let them prepare the questions and send it to me. I forward to you, and just you can give your feedback, sir, whether we have come to your expectation.
Okay, definitely, madam. If I have any other material also, I will to share with all the participants. Therefore, it will be helpful to them.
Sir, thank you, sir. And staff members, this maths teachers, please don't leave the group. Be in the group only. When the training program is over, don't think this group work is over. Let the WhatsApp group continue, and we'll have a good, healthy discussion on mathematics literacy and mathematization and all. We have questions, everything. Be in the group. We'll be sharing good information. And I request all the maths teachers to see that that NSF is doing weekly tests. Weekly test only PISA registered children appearing for the weekly test is very, very less. This is a message from our Assistant Commissioner. As a mentors, you have some 20 children with you maybe. See that all the children will attend every week that NSF weekly practice test. The questions also you can review. You have your login ID. Please enter in that and see the question answers given by the children. And there are some children consistently they are good. Please concentrate on those children. This is a very prestigious examination, and they have CBSE has got a lot of confidence in NVS and KVS. We should prove it. Not like the previous one, India stands in 72 place. We should say we are in the forefront. So that is possible only with the cooperation of all the teachers, especially mathematics teachers. And your interaction was excellent, and you have done job. And whatever possible from our side, we have prepared to make this program a success. And Srinivasan sir, though he is not well, you could hear his cough. I was yesterday when I was talking to him in phone, I was thinking whether sir will do tomorrow or not. But with this lot of difficulty, he has completed it. Please prepare the questions and we'll send it to sir, and sir will give us feedback. And in your classrooms, mathematics classes, whichever class you are handling, spend some 5 minutes, 10 minutes with one question, give in advance, discuss with the children. Now sir was giving you one question in advance and group 1, group 2 he was discussing. Same way you discuss. This discussion will create motivation. Without our help, they will start referring some websites because they are in the houses. They will refer to good questions and they will prepare. Your cooperation is very much needed, mathematics teachers. Please do it. Thank you very much for Radhakrishnan sir for giving me this opportunity to organize this program, and Srinivasan sir for making this program a wonderful one, and good cooperation from my vice principal and my mathematics department. I being the mathematics department in charge, I am very happy to host this program. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. So Srinivasan sir, tomorrow I will call you again by phone.
Okay. Thank you to all organizers and all the participants for your active participation. Thank you. It is a fine day with everybody. Wish you all Happy New Year once again.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the entire Vidyalaya as well as now NVS RO Hyderabad, I once again convey my heartiest thanks to all the participants as well as our honorable resource persons, sir. And you kept patience right from 10 o'clock till now, non-stop, tireless effort and tireless journey we have made, all of us. And we could reach the destination also. Sir will be sharing the feedback. We have received feedback from the trainees.